How you doing? I'm Swamp Midget. This is my channel, Bio Rebellion. I'm starting a series on this channel called Fun Half-Assed MMORPG. It'll be a devlog, which will cover my attempt to put together a fun half-assed MMORPG in the Unity gaming engine. I've been a programmer for about 40 years and started playing computer games and actually building them on a Commodore 64 a long time ago. And then progressed took computer science in college, and then worked research and development for a bit, and now I teach AP computer science. But what originally got me into computing and so fascinated with computers was multiplayer games. And that's what I'm going to do here is explore that love for those multiplayer games and find out what, the certain magic that makes them fun. So the first thing we have to do is put all our core components together to cover the basics of just the basic utilities of MMORPG. We're going to have a standalone Fishnet authoritative server on AWS, and we're going to put together third first player characters that will their movement will be physics based. I'm going to utilize the HDRP rendering pipeline. So the first step will be to put together a test world with the Fishnet networking. I've worked with Photon and Mirror in the past. That's kind of passé. Mirror networking is fantastic. I guess Fishnet's based on Mirror. I'm not sure, but regardless, Fishnet lends itself to a naturally authoritative base server setup. So I like what I see there, and we're going to run with that. We're going to put together a test world with just a test the third-person controller from Unity assets, just to see if we can get it in sync and get acquainted with the RPC calls, all the API stuff from Fishnet. And after we have the test world together, that'll be episode 1. Episode 2 will be grabbing some cool Unity assets, to create just a basic environment that we can run around with, rather than just the white boxes, and maybe mess with the scenery and the lighting and so forth, just the aesthetics. And then episode 3, I'm going to integrate some sort of first-person shooter system asset package that we can integrate into our player characters. I originally wanted to use Ultimate first-person shooter, the UFPS system that was state-of-the-art, a few years ago, maybe 5-10 years ago, but I don't see it really in vogue any longer. So maybe integrating another first-person shooter system, but regardless, that'll be episode 3, and then I guess after that we'll take it from there. Maybe at that point we can all go to log on and explore the world, just poking around and shooting each other or whatever. Not much of a MMO at that point, but putting together the core components. So that's what's ahead. If it sounds interesting, subscribe. I'd love to have people join in as this game progresses and unfolds. You'll have one of the original characters, for whatever that's worth, right? So anyways, if this stuff sounds interesting, if you're into Unity or if you're into MMORPGs or whatever, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment below if you're into any of those old style MMORPGs, or just leave a comment at all. Anything. Say what's up. All right. So I'll see you next episode when we put our player characters walking around in a test world. Okay. Peace out.